Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain key of 25th June 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment contains 4 sums. Let me explain one by one. Now the first question is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. This is the question. We need to solve. This one. Solve x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So this equation contains the fractions. We know that when we have the fractions, first take the LCM of the denominators. Now here denominators are here 1, 1, 3, 6, 2. So LCM of 3, 6, 2. It is very clear. 6 is a multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3. That's why LCM is 6 directly. LCM is equal to 6. Now both left hand side part and right hand side part are multiplied with 6. So both sides multiply with 6. What we will get? 6 into x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 6 into 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now in left hand side we have the 3 terms. All the 3 terms will multiply with 6. Then what you will get? 6 into x, 6x plus 6 7s are 42 minus 6 into 8x by 3. 6 into 8x by 3 equal to right hand side. 6 into both the terms multiply with 6. 6 into 17 by 6 minus 6 into 5x by 2. Done. Now let us simplify. 3 1s, 3 2s. 6 cancel, 2 1s, 2 3s. Now 6x plus 42 minus 2 8s are 16x is equal to 17 minus 3 into 5x, 15x. Now there is no fractions in there is no denominators in the given expression, given equation. Now all the variables will be transformed into the one side and the constants will be transformed into the other side. Here 6x minus 16x are the variables. 6x minus 16x are the variables. And this minus 15x will be transformed into the left side plus 15x equal to right hand side already we have 17 minus this plus 42 will be transformed into the right side minus 42. 6x plus 15x are positive terms, total 21x. 21x minus 15x. 21x minus 15. 21 minus 15 is equal to 16. Sorry, 21 minus 16 is equal to 5x. Okay now? Now equal to 17 minus 42. 17 minus 42 is equal to minus 25. Now 5 is multiplied with x. After transforming to the right side it should be divided. Then x is equal to minus 25 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 5s. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 is a solution of given equation. This is the first question. Now let me explain the second one. Now the second question is solve x minus 5 by 3. Solve x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5. X minus 3 by 5. Same procedure. Find the LCM of the denominators 3 and 5. Here LCM of 3 comma 5 is equal to 15. Now both sides multiply with 15. Both sides multiply with 15. Then what do we get? 15 into x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 15 into x minus 3 by 5. Now 3 ones are 3 5s, 5 ones are 5 3s. Then both sides, these two terms multiply with 5. 5 into x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 3. I got it. Now these two terms multiply with 5, these two terms multiply with 3. Then what you will get? 5 into x, 5x minus 5 5s are 25 equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now all the variables will be transformed into the one side and constants will be transformed into the another side. So 5x, 3x variables, this 3x will be transformed into the left side. We'll get 5x minus 3x. In the right hand side, this minus 25 will be transformed into the right side plus 25. Plus 25. This minus 9 already we have the right hand side, leave it as minus 9 only. Then 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 25 minus 9 is 16. Then 2 is multiplied with x, after transform into the right side it should be divided. Then x is equal to 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s. Therefore x is equal to 80 is solution of the given equation. This is the second sum solution. Let me explain third one. Now the third question is solve 3t minus 2 by 4. Solve 3t minus by 2, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3. 2t plus 3 by 3. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Equal to 2 by 3 minus t. This is the question. Here the variable is t. We need to find the value of the t. Okay. So here we have the denominators 3 and 4. First find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominators 3 and 4 only. So LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. You know it very clear. Now both sides multiply with 12. Both sides multiply with 12. When both sides multiply with 12, we'll get 12 into 3t minus 2 by 4. As well as this term also multiply with 12. Minus 12 into 2t plus 3 by 3. Right side also 12 into 2 by 3 as well as this term also multiply with 12. So 12 into t. Now 4 ones are 4 threes. Here 3 ones are 3 fours. Here 3 ones are 3 fours. That gives 3 into 3t 90 minus 3 into 2 6. This is in one bracket in minus 4 into. Later we will multiply with minus symbol. Minus 4 into 2t 8t plus 4 into 3 12. Okay, equal to 4 into 2 8 minus 12t. Now let us eliminate these brackets first. When we eliminate this bracket, these two terms multiply with minus symbol. So which means here 90 minus 6 minus 8t. This minus into plus minus 12 equal to 8 minus 12t. Now all the variables will be transformed into the one side, which gives 90 minus 8t. This plus 12t plus to transform into that minus 12t become a plus 12t. 90 minus 8t. This minus 12t transform into the left hand side will become a plus 12t equal to right hand side constants already we have 8. Here minus 6 minus 12 will be transformed into the right side. We'll get plus 6 plus 12. Plus 6 plus 12. Now 9 minus 8 1 1 plus 12 13. So here 13t equal to 8 plus 6 14 14 plus 12 26. Which gives t is equal to 13 is multiplied with t. After transform it to the right side, it should be divided. Then 26 by 13. So 13 ones are 13 twos. Therefore t is equal to 2 is our solution. The value of the variable t equal to 2. This is the third sum solution. Let me explain the first question, fourth one. The last question is fourth one. Solve m minus 1 by 2. m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. What are the denominators here? 2 and 3. So first find the LCM of 2 comma 3. LCM of 2 comma 3 is equal to 6. Now both sides multiply with 6. We get 6 into m minus 1 by 2 equal to 6 into 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Now 6 into m 6m minus 2 3s are 6. So 3 into m minus 1 we get. Why the reason? 6 into m minus 1 by 2, 6 into 6 by 2 equal to 3, 3 into m minus 1 is equal to 6 into 1 6 minus 3 2s are 6. So 2 into m minus 2. So when here both the terms are multiplied with 6, we will get this one. These terms are multiplied with 6, we will get this one. Now eliminate the brackets. 6m minus 3m minus into minus plus 1 plus 3 sorry. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3 plus 3 equal to 6 minus 2 into m 2m minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Now all the variables will be transformed into the one side and constants will be transformed into the another side. Then what you will get here? See, 6m minus 3m. 6m minus 3m. This minus 2m will be transformed to the left side, plus 2m equal to 6 plus 4 already we have here. Now this plus 3 will be transformed to the right side, minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So 5m equal to 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, m is equal to 7 by 5. So this is the solution of the fourth sum. Thank you children. These are the solutions of 25th 6 2020 dated solutions. Thank you children.